Alright, so what's good, YouTube? On our way to Hid.Kitz. I think I might go ahead and get my switchbacks installed. It's the day after Christmas, so I think I might do it as a little, I guess, Christmas present for myself, even though I just bought a new phone, which was kind of expensive. Yeah, but I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna start heading that way, and hopefully I can get it done today, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. You already know, gotta get that cold start real quick. Let's just go ahead. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Alright. Okay, I'm about, focus, 23 minutes away. So, I don't know why that's not focusing. We're gonna start heading that way. Alright, so I decided to make a quick stop to Starbucks, and I forgot it's actually happy hour, and that line is looking way too long, way longer than what I want to sit in, so yeah, guess I'm not gonna get Starbucks. It is literally wrapped around the entire building. Okay then, on to the next. So we're just a couple minutes out from Hid.Kitz. I'm gonna pull up, see what's up. I don't know if I'm gonna record inside. I don't know, I'm kind of a little nervous. I don't know why. So trying to get used to this, I guess, vlogging thing. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted like always. Alright guys, so I pulled up to Hid.Kitz. Got an estimate, they said 70 bucks. Then I saw a sign on the door that says cash only, and I personally don't like to keep cash on me, so I gotta run to the bank really fast. I'm gonna get them installed today. So about 6 minutes from the bank, get the cash, head back, and then have one of them install them for me. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so just now leaving Hid.Kitz. Got the switchbacks installed. I'll show it to you whenever I get somewhere. Hopefully it'll be a little bit darker. Time's 4:06. It starts to get darker earlier now because, you know, time change. So I'm gonna get somewhere, pull over, and show you guys them. Much needed upgrade. One of my turn signals was actually out, or not out, but it just didn't like light up all the way. So glad I got it fixed now. Yeah, I'll show you whenever we get there. Ladies and gentlemen, I just copped Starbucks, and look what just caught me by surprise. Yo, is that a Supra?
Wow! Is that a Supra? Dude, is that a Supra?
Yo, bone stock Supra. What? Right outside Starbucks? Are you kidding me? But yeah, that was quite the spot. I can't remember the last time I've seen a Supra, honestly, because it's been a minute since I've been to like an actual car meet. Y'all know the types of meets I've been going to lately. Play the clip.
No, that's all we do, racing, chasing, and donut making.
But yeah, that was a nice surprise, honestly. Now we're about to run inside Walmart. Fun fact, I used to actually work at this Walmart, worst years of my life. But I'm about to go in here, buy some oil. My dad needs to change the oil on his truck, and he didn't have enough. These are the type of things you're supposed to check, Dad, if you're watching this video. But it's fine. Luckily, I'm a nice son, and I'll run inside and get him some. I want a new body style truck, but I want like a between a 2014 and 2018. But we broke boy status out here and can't afford one. I'll put it right here. I'm gonna run inside and leave you guys out here. Alright, what's goody, YouTube? Starting the video out at my house yet again. Today we got a little truck meet going on. I'm gonna go see what's up with that. I'm gonna go pick up the homie Dustin really fast. And Yeah, you already know. I'll keep you guys updated, posted. You know the vibes.
Oh, you know the vibes.
What you got next?
Alright, just made it to the first spot. You already know, got our boy Dustin here.
What's up, my dude?
We're about to walk the show, see what's around. And yeah, enjoy the meet. Dang, I feel like everybody's truck is nicer and faster than mine here.
Yeah, same. A lot faster than mine.
It's fine soon. Earlier I was looking up some videos of a 5.9 Magnum.
Oh yeah?
Twin turbo.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Dang.
I like that Bronco.
Yeah, it's nice. I like the two-tone on the chrome.
Old school.
Yeah. It's real clean. Imagine it with the top off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be clean.
Dang.
His headlights are too bright. You can't see shit.
Yeah, no, right? Got a nice little chop.
Yeah, nice little car.
Dang.
Yeah.
My ear hurts now. That OBS is clean. That OBS is real clean.
I'm trying to get like slow shots of it, but I feel like if you walk around the phone like this, it's like retarded.
Nah, I mean, you just gotta get used to it at first.
I do love that paint though. That's nice paint.
No, the OBS? Yeah.
Damn, where's that cam, bro?
Let's go find it.
All over the cam. Is this one?
I think so. Or the one behind us. It's pretty good. It has like the ZL1 styled hood. It has like the ZL1 styled hood. It's clean. Man, look how fat those tires are.
Pretty fat.
Yeah. I wonder how wide they are. Probably like a 345 maybe. Yeah, but I bet you that thing's insanely fast even with that small motor. See, here's the type of rims that were like over there. I feel like they're more for like lifted trucks.
Yeah.
I'd sell them for sure. How you been? How's your birthday, little Bernie? Ah, you can't roast him. Camaro though. Almost turned into a meat.
Oh,
Yeah, that was kind of sketchy.
No chemical.
Is that TVSS from? Yeah.
They do.
Damn.
Yeah, and they do it. That's so funny.
The Bronco was clean.
Do it? No. Sad dude. Turning it, damn it. Damn, bro. My fucking phone died.
Uh-oh. TVSS?